In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can add any reel to your Instagram story. So what you need to do first is you go to on your Instagram account, then you have to click on the reels option right here. Here you can pretty much choose any reel to add on your Instagram story. So what we need to do is click on the third option in the right corner, like after the comment section right here. Then what you need to do is click on the second option right here, add to story. After clicking on it, the reel will come to your story. Then what you need to do is click on the last icon option like that. Then here you can see there is two options, your story or close friends. So you need to do to your story, select it, continue. Sorry. Then after that you have to click on the share option like that. The reel is shared on your story. So this is how you can share any reel to your Instagram story. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe this channel.